Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee here at Treviso Bay. This is the Peninsula at Treviso Bay. Today we're going to be previewing the Abaco floor plan. This is by Imperial Customs Homes of Naples. The Abaco here is a 3,200 square foot, 4-bedroom or 3+ den, depending on how you want to set up the additional room. 3.5 bath home. Custom built here by Imperial Homes of Naples, right here at the Peninsula at Treviso Bay, which is a enclave of 55 home sites, gated. It's the only gated subdivision here in Treviso Bay. Very exclusive, very awesome properties here with Imperial Homes. This particular Abaco is available for sale. And let's head on inside, give you a little preview of what to expect here with the Abaco by Imperial Homes of Naples. So as we come in here to the foyer area, the Abaco is really nice and open. Directly to the left here is the spacing for a formal dining or whatever flex space that you want to use it for. Nice great room design, huge sliding glass doors, eating kitchen area just off the kitchen here. Tons of cabinet space on this beautiful kitchen. So let's start to the left of the kitchen here. As we go down this hallway, you're going to have the huge pantry on one side. Then on the right side, directly across, is one of your guest bedrooms here. Notice the huge windows again for natural lighting here with the floor plans by Imperial Custom Homes. You've got your ensuite bath, glass enclosed shower, and you have a walk-in closet right here as well. Beautiful setup. And then you've got the powder room directly across from the guest bedroom. There is a commode directly behind that door there, folks. And as we come past the guest bedroom and the powder room, you have the laundry space here, plenty of cabinets, natural lighting as well. And then you have the 3-car garage with painted epoxy flooring. Don't mind the mess. Now coming back towards the kitchen, we're going to go right past the kitchen to the left-hand side, and that's where you're going to find the optional either 4th bedroom here or den. This has huge windows, natural lighting, looking out to the views of the golf course, TPC Treviso Bay, the lake, and your pool area. So this room here can be used as a den or a bedroom. And you've got a guest bathroom split between that bedroom and another bedroom here. Again, glass enclosed shower here. And coming back into the hallway, your final guest suite here. Nice, again, natural lighting and walk-in closet. One of the beautiful things about Imperial Custom Homes of Naples is the amount of natural lighting that you get in these homes. We barely have any lights on, and it's nice and bright. So coming back towards the front, we've saved the master bedroom for last. Now to the left, you're going to have his and hers closets. Nice size closets here, tall ceilings, plenty of space for storage. Look how far back that closet goes there. And then directly beyond the closets, you have your master suite where you have your split vanities, your private commode, linen closet, glass enclosed shower. And then of course, this beautiful soaking tub to cap it all off. And now we're gonna head right back here towards the beautiful pool area and lanai. Now what you hear is me opening up these sliding glass doors. These doors open all the way up here to provide all the outdoor space becoming part of the indoor. Tons of space under truss here. Beautiful spa and pool package overlooking the lake and the golf course here at TPC Treviso Bay. And you also have the beautiful outdoor kitchen. You have access right to your kitchen directly from the back as well. So this is the Abaco floor plan, folks. Built by Imperial Homes here at Treviso Bay. For all the latest and greatest information, you can find us on the web, trevisobayatnaples.com. That's trevisobayatnaples.com. This is Roberto Lee, and thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you soon.